Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to check profile violations on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Facebook app. Now tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and now if you are in your Facebook account, simply switch it to your Facebook page. Now once you have switched it to your Facebook page, under your menu, scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. And now under settings and privacy, tap on settings. Now once you're inside your settings and privacy, scroll down until you find audience and visibility, and under audience and visibility you'll find an option that says page setup. Simply tap on that. Once you're inside page setup, here you'll be seeing bunch of options, and among them you'll find an option that says page status. Simply tap on the view option, and now here any violations or your profile violations are simply listed right here, if there are any that you are addressed to. Now if you have, simply tap on it and then tend to it, and your violations will be removed. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.